Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Silent, please. Today discuss Parkinson disease. Parkinson disease is mainly found in elderly age, old age group. Parkinson disease is a chronic progressive disease of nervous system characterized by cardinal features such as like rigidity, rigidity of body, bradykinesia, tremors, and postural instability. Bradykinesia means slowness of walking, tremors, mainly resting tremors, postural instability, difficulties in walking and standing. Some summary epidemiology. Parkinson disease, which was first described in a essay on the shaking palsy, also known as shaking palsy in 1817 by London physicians James Parkinson, has probably existed for thousands of years. In India, the crude age adjusted prevalence rate of Parkinson's disease per 1 lakh population is 14 in northern India, 27 in south, and 16 in east, while in 363 for Parsis in Mumbai. Now, Parkinson's disease is common in Parsis in Mumbai. Parkinson's disease is a mainly disease of basal ganglia. Basal ganglia is a extra part of extrapyramidal system. Extrapyramidal system. Parkinson's disease or idiopathic Parkinsonism is the most common form. Idiopathic Parkinsonism means no etiology detected. Secondary Parkinsonism results from number of identifiable causes, including viruses, toxins, drug, tremors. And next is Parkinsonism plus syndrome, refer to those conditions that mimic Parkinson's disease in some respect, but the symptoms are caused by some other neurodegenerative disorders. Now, causes of secondary Parkinsonism. Important causes: manganese, manganese, methyl MPTP, methylphenyl tetrahydropyridine, drugs like reserpine, tetrabenazine, phenothiazines, butorphanol, viral causes, Japanese encephalitis, encephalitic lethargica, other causes, repeated head injury like punch drunk syndrome in boxers, punch drunk syndrome in boxers, multi-system atrophy, Wilson disease, Huntington disease, neurosyphilis, cerebral tumor, cyanide, and carbon monoxide, carbon disulfide, hexone, and methanol. Now, important secondary causes is the manganese. Sometimes questions ask manganese. Manganese. Genetically based Parkinson disease is a PARK1 gene. SNCA gene is a alpha-synuclein protein. It is autosomal dominant. PARK1 is a alpha-synuclein protein, is a autosomal dominant. PARK2 is a PRKN gene, is a parking protein, is a autosomal recessive, AR, autosomal recessive. PARK2 is parking protein AR. Park4 is the same as Park1. Park5 is a UCHL1 gene, means ubiquitin carboxy hydroxylase L1 is that is a AT autosomal dominant. Park5 is a ubiquitin carboxy hydroxylase L1 autosomal dominant. Park6 is a pink1 gene AR. Park7 is a DJ1 AR. Park8 or LRRK2 gene. Tardarin protein is that is autosomal dominant, and Park8 causes sporadic Parkinsonism. Sporadic Parkinsonism. Park8 or LRRK2 gene. Sometimes MCQ asks these images, Park1 and Park8, Park5. Now everyone knows basal ganglia functions play important role in planning and programming movement, mainly movement by selecting and inhibiting specific motor synergies. Play important role in cognition process, primarily the caudate nucleus. Cognitive functions, caudate nucleus, including awareness of the body, orientation in stage, ability to adapt behavior, and task requirement change and motivation. Parkinsonism is basically disease of basal ganglia, mainly caudate nucleus and subthalamic nucleus, and some pathophysiology is there. And the loss of dopamine result in akinesia, rigidity, and bradykinesia. Dopamine is mainly produced in basal ganglia from basal ganglia. And sometimes formation of Lewy bodies. Lewy bodies seen in Parkinson disease. Parkinsonism plus associated disease is found Lewy body. First clinical feature is a rigidity. Rigidity may be Cogwell type of or lead pipe type of rigidity. It is one of the clinical hallmark of Parkinson disease, rigidity. Rigidity means increased resistance to passive motion, felt uniformly in agonist and antagonist muscle in both directions. Spinal stress reflex are normal. Cogwell rigidity means jerky, rigid, like resistant to passive movement and muscle alternative to tense and relax. Lead pipe rigidity, no fluctuation, no sustained resistance to passive movement. Prolonged rigidity results in decreased range of motion and serious secondary complications of contraction and posture. Means first clinical feature is rigidity. Rigidity may be two types, Cogwell and lead pipe. Second is bradykinesia. Patient walk small steps. Akinesia means absence of movement. Movement of freezing or freezing gait. Characteristic feature of Parkinsonism is freezing gait may occur characterized by sudden break or lock in movement. Freezing gait, freezing movement is a sudden break or block in movement. Hypokinesia means reduced amplitude of movement. Bradykinesia means slowness or difficulties maintaining movement. Movement are typically reduced in speed, range, and amplitude. Rigidity and depressions can also influence bradykinesia. It is most disabling symptoms of PD Parkinson's disease. Okay. Bradykinesia means slowness and difficulties in walking. Tremor. Mainly tremor is a resting tremor. Tremors it is a involuntary oscillations of body part occur at a slow frequency 4 to 6 hertz. Important is tremor is 4 to 6 hertz. Parkinson disease tremor 4 to 6 hertz. In the resting type, Parkinson tremor is described as a resting tremor. So it is typically present at rest and disappear with voluntary movement. Manifest as field rolling tremor of hand. Field rolling tremor of hand. Resting tremor may also be seen in the forearm, jaw, and thumb. Now, in Parkinson's disease, characteristic feature is resting tremor. Parkinson's is resting tremor, 4 to 6 hertz, tail rolling tremor. Important for MCQ, tail rolling, 4 to 6 hertz, and resting tremor. Postural instability means narrowing of base of support. Competing attention demand increases postural instability. Increased difficulties during dynamic disabilities activities like walking, turning, and functional use. Images in left side micrographia. Parkinsonism present small handwriting, small handwriting or micrographia. Another features of Parkinson disease is micrographia, small handwriting. Next feature is a hypomimia. Hypomimia is the reduction in expressiveness of face or mask face. Characteristic feature of Parkinson mask face or hypomimia. Gait. Important is the fascinating gait. Fascinating gait. The abnormal stupid postures contribute to development of fascinating gait, characterized by progressive गेट इज फैसिनेटिंग गेट, ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो सामने गिर सकता है चलते चलते. Important for MCQ, fascinating gait is found in Parkinsonism. It's characterized by progressive increases in speed with shortening of stride. Gait can be antropulsive, forward fascinating gait, and retropulsive, backward fascinating gait. Some patients are able to stop only when they come in contact with object or a wall. Sensation, no sensory loss. 50% may experience paresthesia, pain, numbness, tingling, coldness, itching pain, and burning. Akathisia is a sense of inner restlessness and need to move. important is a voice dysphagia. That is dysphagia impaired swallowing as a result of rigidity, reduced mobility. Some patients develop siluria in excessive drooling. Hypokinetic dysarthria, that is important. Hypokinetic dysarthria in Parkinson's disease means decreases voice volume and monotone, mono speech, that is hypokinetic dysarthria. Cardiovascular signs symptoms of Parkinson's disease is the orthostatic hypotension. Some patients develop cardiac arrhythmia. Diagnosis is basically clinically. Diagnosed by clinical sign and symptoms. UK PDS brain bank criteria used for diagnosis of Parkinsonism. UK PDS brain bank criteria. Step 1, diagnosis of Parkinsonism syndrome. First is the bradykinesia and at least one of the associated with muscular rigidity. Rest tremor 4 to 6 hertz. Postural instability are related to primary visual, cerebellar, vestibular, and proprioceptive history. Step 2, exclusion criteria for Parkinson's disease. History of repeated stroke, stepwise progressions, repeated head injury, antipsychotic, dopamine depleting drug, definite encephalitis and no drug treatment, more than one affected relative, sustained remission. Exclusion criteria for Parkinson's disease: strictly unilateral features after 3 years, supranuclear gait palsy, cerebellar sign. Supporting criteria for Parkinson's disease: step 3. 3 or more required for diagnosis of definite Parkinson's disease. Unilateral onset, excellent response to levodopa. Rest tremor present, severe levodopa-induced chorea. Progressive disorders, not a acute, that is progressive disorder. Levodopa response for over 5 years. Persistent asymmetric affecting the site of onset most. Clinical course over 10 years. Assessment of disability, that is Horn and Yahr classification for disability. Sometimes FCQ is asked. Disability, which disability criteria used for Parkinson's disease is the Horn and Yahr. In either that is 5 stages. Stage 1 is a mild or early disease. Only one side of body is affected. For example, tremor of the one limb, usually with minimal or no functional impairment. Stage 2 is both sides of body are affected, but postural and balance remain normal. And stage 3 is a moderate disease. Both sides of body are affected, and there is mild imbalance when standing or walking. However, the person remains independent. And stage 4 is advanced disease. Both sides of body are affected, and there is a disabling instability while standing or walking. Person in this stage require help and cannot live alone. And stage 5 is a severe, fully developed disease is present. The person often is cachectic, restricted to bed, bedridden, or wheelchair. unless attained. That is your and your classification for disability. Okay, blood bank criteria used for diagnosis and disability assessment for your and your classification. Other investigations is Parkinson disease is basically diagnose clinical sign symptoms, but rule out for other disease like brain tumor, needed MRI, brain MRI may show abnormality spreading causes of symptoms, severe vascular changes, tumor hydrocephalus to rule out brain MRI. PT scan, SPECT scan may detect abnormalities of dopaminergic systems. SPECT differentiate Parkinsonism from essential tremors. Wilson disease patient is mainly found in below 40 years. Wilson disease with Parkinson. To rule out, these are serum ceruloplasmin, order 24-hour urinary copper test, check for cancer pleasure. What the other conditions should be considered in differential diagnosis? Parkinson disease with known genetic cause like LRRK2 or PARK8 associated with Parkinson disease, that is autosomal recessive, and associated with juvenile Parkinsonism, autosomal dominant Parkinson disease. Other TT is a multiple system atrophy, progressive supranuclear palsy, corticobasal degenerations, dementia with Lewy body is associated with Parkinsonism, essential tremors. In corticobasal degeneration, alien hand is seen. Now, drug treatment is mainly used. Levodopa is the most effective medication for motor symptoms. If used long term, then complication long term dyskinesia plus wearing off. Dopamine agonists like pramipexole, rotigotine, rubineol is nowadays commonly used. May delay motor complication with initial treatment. Often initial treatment in patients below 50 years. Anticholinergic and MAO-B inhibitor is sometimes used. Now it is combination drug is commonly used, carbidopa plus levodopa dosing. Commonest preparation is regular 25 to 100 milligram. Try one pill per oral TID, 1.5 pills TID, 2 pills TID with reduced nausea. Newer medicine for Parkinson disease is sulfinamide. Sulfinamide approved, motor wearing up, MAO-B inhibitors, glutamate modulators, add on to L-DOPA 50 to 100 milligram per day present in Europe. Another is peridil, temozolomide. Some surgical intervention is used. Listening therapy needs thalamotomy, pallidotomy, effective for treating symptoms. It's a deep brain stimulation. Now, commonly used deep brain stimulations of subthalamic nucleus and globus pallidus interna, elevate motor, bradykinesia, rigidity, increases on time, and reduce wearing up and decline. Deep brain stimulation is mainly two nucleus, subthalamic nucleus or globus pallidus interna that elevate tremor symptoms, bradykinesia, rigidity. For disease is corrected by loss of 50 to 70% of dopaminergic neuron in substantia nigra, profound loss of dopamine in this diagram, and the presence of intracytoplasmic inclusion called Levy button. Affect mainly older age, more than 55 years, Parkinson's disease. Already described, but 4 cardinal symptoms: resting tremors, bradykinesia, muscle rigidity, and postural instability. Resting tremor, bradykinesia, muscle rigidity, and postural instability. Thank you for listening. I think over. Good. Good. Disconnect.